Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, we're going to tackle this question, 8% of y plus 1 is equal to 50. But before I do so, you can take a moment, pause the video, and try to solve it. All right, let's see whether you got the answer correct. So we're given 8% of y plus 1 is equal to 50. If I take you back to one of the videos that I did, whereby we're looking for what a certain percentage of a number is, we were having a number in the place of y plus 1. But in this case, this is what we want to find. We want to find what y plus 1 is equal to. So the basic says, if we're saying 8%, that is 8 over 100 times a certain number. Let's just say in this case we have a number of 20 is equal to something, and we are looking for something, and we say 8 over 100, which can be changed into a decimal, and it becomes 0.08 times 20, which is equal to 1.6, meaning that 8% of 20 is equal to 1.6. But in this case, we are given the final answer and we're given the percent, and we want to find what this number is going to be equal to. This number is the same as the 20 in this example. So this is how I would tackle this question. We say 8 over 100, because that is 8%. And whenever you see off, we multiply times y plus 1 is equal to 50. And changing 8% to a decimal, we get 0.08 times y plus 1 is equal to 50. 0.08 multiplying y plus 1 is equal to 50. And then you expand the brackets, 0.08 times y, that's 0.08y, plus 0.08 times 1 becomes 0.08 is equal to 50. Now we are going to take this 0.08 to the other side, and it becomes a negative 0.08, remaining with 0.08y is equal to 50 minus 0.08, and that is 49.92. Now we divide both sides by 0.08 to remain with y, so that is y is equal to 49.92 all over 0.08. And if we divide this, we get our answer as 624. So now we have gotten what the value of y is. But remember, the question says 8% of y plus 1. So y plus 1 is equal to 624 plus 1. And we get our answer as 625. So 8% of 625 gives us 50. This is the final answer. And I know a lot of people probably ended right here at 624. But 624 is the value of y, and we want y plus 1, which is actually in parentheses. So y plus 1 is equal to 625. This would be your final answer. Because even if you punch it in your calculator and you find 8% of 624, you get 49.92 as your answer. But if you add the 1 as we have as y plus 1, and you say 8% of 625, you get your answer as 50. So there you have it, guys. I hope you learned something, and if you got the answer correct, well done. If not, you just need to review where you went wrong. See you in the next video.